Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Our quick and easy and tasty and delicious chicken breast recipe. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy delicious chicken breast recipe. It does not take that long to cook and you can serve as an appetizer or you can eat it with the rice flour, and this is the perfect dish. Kids will love it. The ingredients I'm going to use: 2 tomatoes, 2 green chili, 4 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. The chicken breast I'm going to make it a little different. This chicken recipe is going to be super delicious and we're going to add onion at a later time once the chicken is cooked. Keep the onion into long thin slices. Cumin seed 1 teaspoon, coriander powder and salt half teaspoon each, Kashmiri mirt 1 teaspoon, olive oil for tadka. To garnish our delicious chicken recipe, we're going to use cilantro, which is dhania, coriander leaves. This is what I have done with the chicken breast. If you see, it's a small thin slices. When we're going to cook this, it's not going to take that long. It's going to cook real fast. So what do you need to do? You just slice it off. Just very thin slices. So the chicken breast I'm using, this is boneless, skinless chicken breast and it's a 2 pound. So I'm going to finish cutting up this and we're going to start making our delicious chicken breast recipe. Start gas. Keep gas on high. Get a fry pan. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, bring cumin seed, jeera. Cook it for 10 seconds and this is good enough. Bring ginger, green chili and garlic. We're going to cook 20 seconds, not too much. We just need the garlicky flavor to go away. This is good. Now I'll bring tomatoes. Mix it well. Cooking for 2 minutes. I'll bring all the spices, coriander powder, salt and Kashmiri mirt. Mix it well. Cook the spices along with tadka for half minute. Kashmiri mirt gives us a nice color. Cooking for half minute. Now I'll bring chicken. Mix it well. Keep mixing with the tadka. Keep moving so it won't get burned. Cooking chicken breast for 2 minutes. The chicken breast, since we cut into so thin slices, it does not take that long to cook. This is the tomato sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. So mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now I'll bring onion. And keep your gas on high and keep mixing. If you haven't tried chicken breast recipe this way with onions at the end, please try it. It tastes really well. Cooking for 5 minutes. A delicious chicken recipe is all ready. I'll bring the gas to medium. And the last ingredient, good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. I have my rice flour is ready also. You can serve with the basmati rice or use the tortilla or roti Make a burrito and the kids will love it. And you can use it as an appetizer as well. So I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. And look at how delicious. A perfect, quick and easy chicken breast recipe. And these onions, they're going to give a different flavor. So let me share with you. Our quick and easy and tasty and delicious chicken breast recipe. Please try it. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.